So from personal experience with having used the vast majority of thermal units available now, the image quality on this surpasses everything. Everybody that's looked through it has said the same thing. This is the best image they've ever seen on a thermal rifle scope to date. Okay, so this is the iRay Rico RH50. Their top of the range thermal rifle scope. This is 640 core, 12 micron processor. It has a 50mm front lens, and we'll just take a dive in and check out some of the details. So on the top, you can see you've got super simple button layout, power, magnification, and the menu button. The menu button's raised, so it's easy to find in the dark, and that's how you'll change the color palettes and things like that. One of the most striking things about the Rico RH50 is the mounting system. As you can see here, it's a super heavy duty, high quality mount, quick release, so you can swap it between rifles as you need to. Now, you've got 8 hours of battery runtime on this, and if you need to change the battery for whatever reason, it's a quick change unit. So even if you forget to switch it off and leave the unit in standby, you're back in the game nice and quickly. Now, the Rico RH50 has got a detection range of 2.5K, which is plenty for most of us to shoot at night with. There's also, should you need it for the longer range and really take the capability of the Rico's detection range, we've got an optional laser rangefinder that just attaches on the side, simply plugs in, and you can get a nice accurate range on whatever you're wanting to shoot. So this is the Rico RH50. To sum up, we've got 640 core, 12 micron processor, super HD display, which allows to get you the best image of what you're going to shoot. Then to take it on further, make things even easier, there's picture-in-picture mode. The zoom will go from 3 and it steps all the way up to 6, 9 and 12 times. It means you can get right in there, place a perfect shot at distances previously we've not been able to do with thermal rifle scopes.
Have you been using that bit of kit?
Yeah, so I've been using this across 3 or 4 different rifles now, depending on what I've been doing and where. And you've got 3 different zero profiles, so switching between, this is my 223, I'll swap between my 204 and my 243 quite regularly, and it's also had some time on my 308 as well. Swapping between the profiles is super duper easy. Go into the menu button, which is ever so easy to find, simply change the gun profile, you're ready to go. With the mount being so heavy duty and using uniform rails on all my rifles from tier 1, everything is the same and it clicks back in very, very repeatably. So I think this is going to be the benchmark for a while, and certainly iRay as a company are here to make some waves.